So first roughly you have to write each and every measurement on that we have taken, and you have to roughly write it, but I didn't consider the direction there, so it is wrong. So eighth standard teacher has started. So I think over there is east, west, north, south. So each and everything I have drawn. Here you see that கிழக்கு மேற்கு வடக்கு தெற்கு ரதவி இது உத்தர் கிழக்கு மேற்கு 26. So this I have written wrongly. Direction is wrong. So this is correct. So you have to refer it. East to west கிழக்கு மேற்கு 26. So this direction is east to west. So here we are taken 26 here, and north south here 21. So like this you have to draw. So 4, this you have to consider this 1, 2, 3, 4. So first you have to consider this, and then you have to draw. Here now come to third. Third is east west. East west is east na கிழக்கு, west na மேற்கு 37. So this direction I have written wrongly. So you have to do the direction correctly. East west. ईस्ट बिन किழக்கு उत्तर इनमें बराबर मालूम नहीं. So ईस्ट ना किழக்கு. So fourth is over right, and third கிழக்கு மேற்கு 37. So கிழக்கு மேற்கு in this direction. Here we have tried கிழக்கு மேற்கு 37, and north south 20. This is right, and this direction is wrong. So it is a north, it is a south. So north south 20 we have tried. That is okay, and you have to check it the second கிழக்கு மேற்கு east west. East கிழக்குனா east, west east, this is east. This is north. You have to make it like a design. North south, you have to make a design. Here east west everything is different. So this 90 degree we are having. So north south, this is of 0 to degree to 180 degree. Okay, 0 180, this is 90 degree.